We're interviewing Steve Matthews of Plasloc. Steve, can you tell us something about your product, please?
It's a segregation system that segregates the working area from the customer in a retail environment and obviously the contractor. It separates the two. And what we've done is developed a system that is recyclable, it's reusable, it recycles back into itself and then and other plastic components. It's telescopic, it has a health and safety, it's got containment that deals with power and LED lighting. It kind of fits everything that the supermarkets are after, and also clip frames for their poster advertising, all fits into the same system.
So as I understand it, there's a requirement on the supermarkets for health and safety purposes to segregate the shopping area, which is being used by members of the public, from the workspace, and this system then addresses that problem.
It does indeed. Yeah. I mean, it all started a few years ago. I've been sort of 2.5 years in the development of this, and it came across. I was tasked with going back on a contract and finding out why we lost so much money. And when I looked into it, we spent £500,000 on hoardings on that one particular job, which was about 12 million. And it all gets thrown away into landfill. So it kind of started from there.
And I understand now that there are new tax requirements for local councils to be penalising building sites for the waste that they're creating during the building project.
Yes, I think everybody takes it seriously now. It's a major issue, and we are looking by 2010, 2012, zero waste.
So this system then is, if you will, a Lego style system that is made of plastic and will assemble into the hoarding structure that's required, but can be reused. How many times can it be reused?
Well, we're looking at 4 to 5 times at the moment. It depends on the damage that comes across it, but and then recycled from there. But so, you know, we're looking at predominantly hiring the system as opposed to selling it to the supermarkets and taking it along that route.
So the system then has these two big bonuses. First of all, it's green and it gets out or gets around the green tax, which is imposed by local councils. Also, the plastic's reused, so that's a double green bonus. And then you've got a big cost saving on the supermarkets. Have you looked at typically what sort of percentage cost saving they might achieve?
We've still got a little work to do on that, but at the moment we're looking at it's a similar cost to the traditional format that we're using at the moment. Yeah, so I mean it'll be a great saving for the supermarket, particularly if we can use it 4 to 5 times.
Why are so many people excited about the product at the moment?
Because it's so different from the traditional format of segregation. They spend millions and millions of pounds on this and throw it away. And I think, you know, it's reusable. It ticks every box from the supermarket's point of view with the sustainability, the recyclability of it all. Big issues, big green issues with them. And I think because it is of equal value to the traditional hoarding system, they can only benefit.